made pasta yesterday. Gonna have it for breakfast. Morning. It's like 10 right now and it's a Saturday. So I think I have like a cold or I'm getting some like sickness because my throat is really not really sore, but it's like kind of like puffing up, like getting swollen, and like I'm always constantly blowing my nose since yesterday. And also like I'm on my period, so like that's another reason why I don't feel so energetic. I left work early that Tuesday in my previous vlog. I actually like completely skipped out on work on Thursday because like the period pains were so bad and I've never done that before. I was like folding over and I like low-key wanted to puke. I told my manager I can't do this. I have to go home. And I just like rested the whole entire day, and I think that was such a good decision instead of just trying to like push myself through it at work, because like I low-key would have died. I think. Spilled some sauce on me, so I had to change, and I was getting cold anyway. So my second bowl for breakfast. I'm like really hungry for some reason. Maybe it's because it's 10. So like I'm having breakfast and lunch right now. I'll be eating while I read this book. I'm almost done. I think I'll finish this today. I just finished the book. It's like 12. It's 12:24 right now. Just finished the book. I'm gonna make myself a coffee and have like a little snack. I use this brand. I got this at a European store in Pennsylvania while I was visiting my parents for the weekends. Tell me why this thing was like $12. I don't know if it's worth it. I guess it's worth it. 우유를 먼저 넣고 그 다음에 뜨거운 물 넣으면 딱 잘 나와. I don't like adding too much milk in my coffee. I like to measure everything, so it has a consistent taste. I think we might have a late lunch around 1 or 2. Honey, cinnamon. Have a little snack break, and I have some dates. I have my book in front of me, so I'm gonna start reading it after this little. I woke up at 5 as usual, right? And the first thing I do when I wake up is brush my teeth.
So that's what I did.
And I did my skincare. And then these days, we're doing the olive lemon shots. So I had that first thing. I read some webtoons on my phone for a couple of hours, and I fell back asleep again. And then I woke up at 10. And at 10, I had my brunch. We're definitely gonna eat actual lunch much later because I forgot to make rice, and it takes like an hour to make rice. So isn't this so cute? We went to a tea shop and they gave this to us like as a present. It's made from actual wood and it's handmade. This is supposed to be like a flower bud. I don't like eating these dates with my fingers. I mean, if they were Korean dates, it'd be fine. But like these ones like a bit sticky because they're kind of caramelized. I don't know, from drying. I don't know how to work. I made a huge batch of bulgogi. So like easy meal prep. I just like take it out and I fry it, stir fry it. I don't know, cook it in the pan, and it's done. I don't know. 다음에 야채를 많이 넣어야 될 것 같아. 그런데 고개 너무 자고 있을 때 간식 먹었었는데 배고프지만 엄청 배고프진 않아. 나중에 비 온대. 내일도 비 온대. 나중에 산보할래?
응.
이번 주 날씨 진짜 좋았어요. Except for that one day when it rained. Like a lot. 내가 같이 일하는 아저씨가 he said the winds were blowing at 80 miles per hour at his place. Do you believe it? I think he was exaggerating.
어디? Oh my gosh. Cuties. Kai, I want a cat. ini geese. Wow. Mana yo?
오늘 아침은 Japanese curry 먹겠습니다. I made it for dinner last night. 오늘 아침 샤워했고 바로바로 집 정리, 집 청소 했어. So everything is sparkly, clean, it smells good in this house. 이거 새로운 드라마 시작했거든. 그거 보면서 밥 먹게. And I can't do that while filming since I only have my phone to watch shit. So, see you in like 30 minutes. 아! 커피 만들려고요. 일요일인데 왜 아직도 집에 있냐고요? 생리통이 너무 아파가지고 I'm on day 3, but usually by day 3 I'm okay. But for this week I'm just so uncomfortable for some reason. I don't know why. Like my muscle pains are gone. I think it's best if I stay home today. After I make my cup of coffee, just going to watch the second episode of the drama I just started. Mix. 오, 냄새 좋아. 빨래 다 줬고 그 다음에 점심 먹으려고요. 아직도 커리 남아가지고 생각보다 많이 만들었어. Put it up on the hanger. Just put it over here for a second. 가족 안에서 누가 제일 아빠 닮았어? Out of the boys. Well, because out of the girls is you. So.
이상하게 들리시는데 순편?
No, I feel that. 나도 인정.
Was that your impulsive thought of the day?
Yeah, that was my impulsive thought for the day. My sister goes, they have 1.2 chapters. It's part 1, chapter 2. We're gonna go head to a coffee. My sister said I'm having withdrawal symptoms. 그 다음에 월마트 가고 초콜릿 살 것 같아요. Maybe ice cream. 하zel넛 불고기 for dinner, and I just wanted to do a little snack called what I got. Instead of coffee, I got myself a Haagen-Dazs caramel ice cream. Just gonna chuck this in the freezer for now because it's been melting. We got this chocolate, been craving chocolate this whole entire day. Got Oreo thins, and we only like the thins. We don't like the original ones because like the cream is just way too sweet for us. But yeah, anyway, see you guys after dinner is ready.
It re-sparked an interest in